Hard disk not detected. There are a few options if your hard disk cannot be detected. The first thing to do is check to see if it's just a loose connection. Unplug your hard drive from your computer and reconnect it. Check that it is firmly plugged in. If it doesn't work, try connecting it to another port. If you're using a USB hard disk, try connecting it to another USB port. If that still doesn't work, your hard disk might be destroyed. This is most probable if you dropped it or if it was hit by a power surge. You will need to replace your hard drive in this situation. A hard disk may not be identified for a variety of reasons. The most typical cause is a faulty hard disk connection to the motherboard. The computer will not identify the hard disk if it is not correctly attached. Another reason a hard disk may not be identified is if it has been damaged. If the hard disk is damaged, the computer will not recognize